Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can easily connect your WooCommerce store to Terminal Africa to enable logistics services. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and head over to Plugins and select Add New Plugin. Then go to Search Plugins and type Terminal Africa. That's the plugin right there. Click on Install Now and hit Activate. You'll be redirected to the plugin page to activate the plugin. If you're not redirected to the Terminal Africa plugin page, you can always find it at the left corner where you have the WordPress menu. Just click on Terminal Africa and then go to Shipments. So right now, click Get Started. You'll be directed to log into your Terminal Africa account. Put in your email address and password and click on the login button. Now, if you don't have a Terminal Africa account, you can go ahead and create one. Now you'll be asked to authorize the Terminal Africa plugin to have access to your Terminal Africa account. Click on the Authorize button. Alright, so you've successfully connected your Terminal Africa account to your WooCommerce store. Hit OK. Okay, so you'll be required to set up the address for your store. Alright, so that's how you connect Terminal Africa to your WooCommerce store to enable logistics in your store.